Good morning, first grade. It's time for Number Corner. And yesterday we did not have Number Corner, but I will show you the card that I flipped over for yesterday. And yesterday was Wednesday, October 7th. And I flipped over this card and there were 6 little acorns. Okay, so you can see 2, 2, and 2, 2, 4, 6. You could also see 3 and 3, which is a double. 3 plus 3 is 6. So yesterday was Wednesday, October 7th, 2020, and we had 6 small acorns. Today, when we flip over for Thursday, October 8th, 2020, this is what we have. We have 1 big acorn and 5 small acorns. Okay, we still have 6 nuts, but we have 1 big one and 5 small ones. Maybe that's a walnut. I don't know, I'll check. All right, so let's write the date is 10-8 for October 8th, 2020, and we had 6 nuts. We had 5 little acorns, 1 big one, and our math story for today. Now, I want you to be thinking, what kind of math story would you write if you had to write the math story today? What would you write for our number tree? We have 6 total, and we have 2 parts, a 5 and a 1, okay? I'm going to write, I saw 5 small acorns and 1 big, I'm going to call that a walnut because I really think it looks like a walnut. I saw 5 small acorns, 1 big walnut, and my question is, how many nuts in all? Put a question mark at the end of my sentence, and then I come over here to write my equation. And I had 5 plus 1 equals 6. Okay. Okay, so let's color in for another day in school. And then let's take a look at how many days of school that we have been here. So if we take a look at our chart, think about what you're seeing. 1 10 stick, another 10 stick, and 1, 2, 3, 4 ones. So we have 10, 24. We've been in school for 24 days. Okay, I can write an equation, 20 plus 4, so my 10s plus my 1s equals 24. I can break my 20 down, right? I can decompose that number. So it's 10 plus 10 plus 4 equals 24. And you can come up with other ways to make 24, like 23 plus 1 more equals 24. Yesterday we had 23. We added 1 more today. So today is October 8th, 2020, 10-8-20. And we will add 24 to our number line. All right, here's our spinner. Let's spin this spinner to see how many shapes we're going to collect for week 2, for today, which will go in week 2, and then we'll add it to our picture graph. All right, today's number is 3 shapes. So I'll come in the mystery bag and I will pick out 3 shapes. Ooh, they're all at the bottom. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, a variety today. Here we go. We have a red trapezoid. We have a blue rhombus and a green triangle. So we can add to week 2. Look at all those shapes. And then we'll add to our picture graph. So I have 2 triangles up there right now. So if I'm going to add one more, how many do I have? 3. 1, 2, 3. Going to add a red trapezoid. Right now I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now if I add one more, how many do I have? 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And a blue rhombus. I only have 1 blue rhombus. Now I'm going to add one more. 1 plus 1 equals 2. I didn't add any hexagons today. What are you noticing about the picture graph? I noticed that the hexagons and the triangles are equal to each other. They have the same number of shapes on our picture graph. I noticed that rhombus has 1 less than the triangles and the hexagons. 1 less. It has the fewest or the least. I noticed that the trapezoid has the most. It has 5 shapes, right? It has 2 more than the triangle. It has 2 more than the hexagon. How many more does it have than the rhombus? Look where they're equal to each other. How many more does the trapezoid have? 1, 2, 3 more. All right, let's count and see how many shapes we have all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 shapes so far. Okay. So what I want to do today with our number line is I want us to practice counting from 11 to 20. Then we're going to flip over all of these cards and practice counting forwards and backwards. Okay, so help me count. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, let's count those backwards now. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Let's come up here and let's start with this number. What comes after 20? 21. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. I'm going to stop there. Now let's count backwards from 29 to 21. 29, 28, 27, 26, 25, 24, 23, 22, 21. Good job. And that's Number Corner for today.